we have finally arrived at starting to see the SketchUp model and the Gaussian splat together. Not side by side, but the SketchUp model and the Gaussian splat integrated in one file. So what we're going to do in this video is demonstrate to you on how you align those two and then set it up for review. There are different display modes in the Gaussian splat plugin, which are excellent ways of using the splat to either compare the built environment or to draw on top of the Gaussian splat the existing built environment for a project that you're starting. Please like and subscribe. If you want, you can watch the full video called Gaussian splatting in reverse, and we would like to see you around for any of our new topics that we are discussing over the coming month. Enjoy. What I am going to do is I'm going to save the Gaussian splat and not so much the SketchUp model. And I'm going to open the splat from the desktop. So in this case, I'm not loading the Gaussian splat as a PLY file. I'm loading it as a splat file, a SketchUp splat file, in the hope that this is faster. And no, we are not going to look at it from that way. And so now, if we turn in this model the axes back on, you can see that the splat has now automatically aligned itself to our drawing in the way that it has aligned itself to the axes. So hopefully now, if we navigate through the splat, maybe the splat orientation is wrong, that's fine. We can hopefully get to experience the splat and the design all at once. So from what I see, the design needs to turn 180 degrees. So I'll make a selection of everything. Let's see if this works in a live demonstration. I'll say that this needs to turn 180 degrees. Okay. It went smoother than I expected. I will be honest. And then we will orientate and maneuver this section to the best of its possibility. As you can see, I should probably snap to the SketchUp model rather than to the splat to have a little bit more smoothness to my navigation. Okay, that functions quite well. And then it seems that either the splat or the SketchUp model sits at the wrong height. And I think in this case, it is the splat that sits at the wrong height, because the SketchUp model sits automatically aligned to the floor itself. So we will go up, and then I think we need to go a little bit sideways. More like 50 millimeters, not 100. And I think we will let it rest there. Okay,